Trust me, I choose not to participate in the collective fear. Uh, Instead, I will send peace and healing energy to everyone. I think this is the most important time when people should not give up and should have faith that good days will come back. So we should have very strong faith on Almighty God and on our capability to deal with the stress and understand the situation, that this is the best time to focus on the inner purification and understanding people around us, even though if they are giving us negative energy or they are speaking something which is not in our favor. They may be different, but that does not mean the people around us are wrong. So we all are different and we should accept each other the way we are. And in case we don't like anyone, that's all right. But we should understand that that person is different and we should learn to forgive and forget, not for the other person. We're not doing a favor on the other person. We're actually healing ourselves inside, and we want to remain peaceful and happy, because happiness is a choice. So we have got a choice to understand, to choose, and to remain happy. And I would suggest that healing of ourselves is very, very important at present. And blessings can really play a magical role, because when we try to bless someone who has done wrong to us, or who is doing wrong to us, who is doing something differently which we think is not in our favor, but still we choose to bless the person, I think that is the best way that we can be at peace. So we should not search happiness and peace outside. I think it's all inside us. We just have to learn how to ignore unwanted things in life and how to bless others, because maybe our blessings can change their attitude, and the way they are different, maybe they can change themselves and they can become peaceful human beings, so that everybody will spread peace and happiness. So to spread something or to give something, we should have first something with us. And I believe the internal purification comes with the prayers and meditation, because we need to clean ourselves every day, the way we clean our house externally, the way we clean our body every day, we wash ourselves. So the same way we should wash ourselves inside. Whatever negative energies we acquired, or we get it through the thoughts when we think something wrong about someone, so that is a negative energy. So that means even we can't change the surrounding, we can't change I would say we don't have the capacity or the power to change others or the situation, but what we can change is ourselves, because that is in our control. So we should not take people on such a level that we try to become like them. We should try to remain at our level, and whoever is at a very low energy, whoever is at very low level, with their vocabulary, words, the way they speak, the way they use words, the way they text, the way they react, the way they speak anything which tries to be very hurtful. but I think they are at very low energy. So what we can do is we can use the highest form of energy, which is called blessing. We can bless them. We can say that they are different, they are at low energy, but we have a capability of high energy to spread the happiness and peace. So we all should be spreading something which we have, whatever we have, whatever we can, but the intention is to spread peace and happiness. Thanks.